I got an R motor to put in this car. We're gonna see what happens. But I have no idea if any of this is gonna work out, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright, so right now the issue is I need to get my throttle body to fit. I decided not to splice it because the wires look a little bit different. But I gotta put this right here. And it's hitting back there on that, and it's just not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna put it on there instead of the other one, because that makes sense. Because then it'll fit. But there might be some other issues. Alright, never mind. I just cracked it. That didn't take very long. It's pretty dirty in there. I wonder if it's clogged. Well, that's that. Alright, so solution number 2 is I'm going to rotate this guy 90 degrees. First, I got to see if I can put these together. So we're at 60 whatever, and they are the same. So now, all I got to do is chop that pin off right there. There we go. Oh yeah. Everybody's cheering for me. Oh, it fits. Dang, bro. That's an airplane burnout right there. There's a slight issue with this. I need to put this on, and it goes right here because of the thermostat. That's what's important. But this one won't work because the plugs don't match, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to swap those. What up? There's a tiny hole in the intercooler. We're gonna patch it up. This is Apache Junction where we patch it up. Yeah. The radiator is in. This is in place. What are you doing? I'm stuffing my intake with paper towels so that when I start the car, you get all this like carbon. It's like starting fluid. You know, you spray it in and then but I decided to use paper because it's cheaper. Yeah. But I don't know. May not work. They just clog the intake. Alright, so if we go over here, you'll see this is my favorite battery. Oh. See that?
Ever start?
No, it's at never, bro.
Oh, yeah. Never.
So it's a never start.
Never.
This one never starts anything.
He's fighting an invisible man.
I'm trying to get him out, bro.
Oh wait, it's a mistake.
Well, the actual reason I did that was so I could clean it, so I don't get any rocks in my engine.
So the first thing was a lie.
I guess. Dude, this is how you clean it. I don't want to do this earlier. hose clamp collection. It's always good to go to the junkyard and get as many as you can, because they're free. I shouldn't have said that. Now everybody's gonna say it. I guess that works, but it's not the European ones. Oh, I'm out of European ones. See,
He's gotta go to Europe.
these are American, and these are European. They're way better. I'm gonna go find.
You got that. Got that our charge pipe up in there, almost done. So I just spent about the whole day at the junkyard, and I got a few things. We got an intake pipe for down in there. It's gonna go like sort of like that, and so I'm gonna be putting that in. I just got. It just happens to be the right size. This is off a Jaguar. If anybody wants one. And then this should just match right up here. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, here goes this way. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. That couldn't be better. So I'm going to slice it there and there. And then it'll have space to fit. And I got to do the rest of the fittings. We got this crank vent, this evap, and then one other fitting. One other hose goes there. Oh, the fresh air for the turbo. So one of these goes there, I believe. This one right here. I might be able to route that differently. We'll see what happens. I gotta reorganize all my tools. This is what happens when you don't want to carry around a 50-pound toolbox. So I collected a lot of little baby hose clamps, as I call them. So we're going to be using these for the cooling, because when I got this car, the motor, I gotta put these here. This thing was broken. I used some crap that I found. I used some crap that I found laying around. I maxed that one out. Dude, this one's a fake European one. It's fake, man. These are the real European ones. It fits perfectly. Absolutely phenomenal. I somehow got it on there. It sticks. There we go. This thing is practically done. I just got that flushed, the heater core. And all I gotta do, drain the block, connect this guy up, and then engine mount, and then the bar. And I'm done. It's gonna be good. Looking all right. Got her running. She's running good. Got some coolant in there. I gotta get her out of here. Got a brake booster leak. Oh well. The turbo goes. It's a very nice sound. Transmission is questionable. That's good I got a manual. Yes, it's very good I got a manual. Otherwise, there's going to be issues. I have a new car. Well, I guess I have a new car. I do have a new car. I have a new car. Yeah. Bro, what am I leaking here? So, I did some research and they basically said you just gotta put like ATF. So I got some ATF here that I found laying around. I used some crap that I found laying around. And I'm just gonna throw it in because I think I cooked the transmission already anyway, so. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty cold outside.